Hi, welcome to me living. It's a beautiful sunny day today and I'm outside in my garage. These are freshly picked big bamboo shoots that I got from Florida a few days ago. So I am going to prepare it today to save for future use on whatever dish that I make. I don't know the name in English of this bamboo shoot, but in the Hmong name, that means if you continue to water this bamboo shoot plant, it's just going to continue to grow throughout the year. Chị tỏ lời tìm bé hệ tiền chua chính do can tu khoa này chị do hệ tiền này nhớ cho tới chầu Florida ấy này cho chọn chua này ấy này dự đây tạm một ly chị tuần chua nàyยังtua tạm một ly cho nên ló nó thở nhiệt thở sông này lại luôn bé hồ điện tử. This is how my cousin taught me how to peel this when we were in Florida. Thở một lọ chọn chua này chị của tôi này tin đã kia cọ qua. Tây trong này nó dọ chị tây giờ chỉ nhớ lúc tây chờ tới chỉ bao chị vừa tao một cỡ nữa chị này có chai lên nó tây chúa lên nó xứ. These are fresh bamboo shoots and whatever dish that we are going to make out of it, it will be very delicious. Okay, the pot is boiling. I am going to cover and let it cook for 1 hour to make sure that each piece is fully cooked. All right, the bamboo shoots have been cooked for 1 full hour and I think it's cooked and ready. So let's remove them, turn off the heat. They are huge and looking delicious. I am still in quarantine, so I am making this dish in the garage. And here are some ginger. My husband prepared it for me. For portions of this bamboo shoot stir fry with ginger, I'm going to make about 2 portions of bamboo shoots and 1 portion of ginger. Now I'm taking a couple pieces of the bamboo shoots and just going to shred it. This is fully cooked. This is it. This is all the bamboo shoots I need. It's only for myself. For this much bamboo shoots, I am estimating about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm using about 3 tablespoons of oil here. First, going to add the ginger to saute the ginger first. Smells so good. Ginger roots. Okay, the ginger here is starting to get golden. So I'm now adding the bamboo shoots. Okay. Again, stir fry. Everybody does it differently. Some people like it more oily, some don't. But this is a good amount of oil for me. There are just 2 seasonings to use, salt and mushroom seasoning. So I am going to start with about half teaspoon salt here and half teaspoon mushroom seasoning, and I can always adjust later on. This is a very nice non-stick wok, my friends. Let's taste to see if I need to adjust any seasoning. All right, let's taste out here. Luckily, seasoning is just about right. Good estimating. No more adding. This is just good. Oh, smells so delicious. Wow. There. Oh, looking so yum. Let's serve now. Oh my. Smells so delicious. Oh boy. Cá thịt tia nó chọn chua kỹ nữa nè, xịt cá thịt tia luôn. Stir fry fresh bamboo shoots with ginger using just salt and mushroom seasoning. It's very delicious, very fresh and natural Hmong food. So let's enjoy this delicious, easy, fresh bamboo shoot stir fry with ginger. This is a new Hmong recipe I just learned from a friend of ours down in Florida last week. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for the recipe. As I mentioned, I am still in quarantine, cooking in the garage, and now eating outdoor by the driveway. Let's eat. So delicious. I love the strong flavor of the ginger with the bamboo shoots. And the seasoning of just salt and mushroom seasoning is just right. Wow. So good. If you have fresh bamboo shoots, you want to try this recipe, please do so. Cá hình. This is a very delicious dinner for me. Wow. Cá chép lời. Tành chua kín được hiện mà cá tít tia nữa. Nên lương thứ nhất rồi tới chờ sỏi nên món chua cho nên xảo uốn nó cá cơ liền. Rồi dùng gì chỉ nhớ. So good. So good. Too good. I'm so glad that I feel better today and I can enjoy this dish because I was worried, but luckily I get to cook today. Cá chép lời luôn. I don't need any meat, just ginger, bamboo shoots. That completes a meal. Thank you for watching me living today, making a new Hmong recipe, stir-fry fresh bamboo shoots with ginger. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.